Good afternoon everyone. Today is Friday and today I wanted to record a video for you to explain my process of quick evaluation of websites. Let's say somebody asks me to take a look at their website and I need to quickly assess the situation and see how well the website is positioned in Google, what potential it has, is it optimized or not. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do that in 5 minutes or maybe in 15 minutes, so you'll be able to save some money on SEO services and you'll be able to do it yourself really quickly. First of all, I run a series of tests. We can take any website, and the first thing I do, I go to GTmetrix.com, and I want to evaluate the technical SEO, how well the website is optimized in terms of technical SEO. Are there any files that slow down the website, how quick it opens, how quick it loads, because speed is very important. So I go to GTmetrix.com, and since we're talking about a US business, then in the settings I want to select a server that is US based, located somewhere in the US, and located close to your business, and I also set the setting to crawl the website as a mobile phone, so it could be LTE setting, for example. And GTmetrix is free. You just plug in your website and hit enter, and it will start the analysis. It will give you a score from A to F to show you how well your website is optimized. It will also show you the specific details regarding what can be improved, what files are too big, is there JavaScript that needs to be removed or minimized, and things like that. So you can take that report and you can pass this report to your developer. If you know how to code yourself, you can use that information and improve the technical SEO of your website. So technical SEO is the foundation of any website. That's thing number one. Thing number two, I go to Screaming Frog SEO Spider. I run it and I enter the website. I hit enter, and the tool crawls the website. The tool itself is completely free. You can download it from their official website. You download it. Sometimes if your own website is big, I think more than 500 pages, then you'll need to buy a license, but very often you don't need that. So you just plug in your website or the website you want to analyze into Screaming Frog Spider, SEO Spider tool, and run an analysis, and that's pretty much easy to do, an easy thing to do. It will tell you a lot about the structure of your website, what pages you have, what page titles, meta descriptions, etc. you have, and you'll be able to see, for example, if meta description field is empty, then that's definitely a room for improvement. That's an opportunity. You'll see if the canonical tags column is empty or not. That might be another opportunity. Or if the canonical, if the column that shows canonical URLs shows different URLs than the first column, which lists all the crawled pages of your website. So that's another thing that you need to look into. So Screaming Frog SEO Spider, that's tool number 2 that I use for quick analysis. And again, GTmetrix and Screaming Frog, they can run in parallel, because Screaming Frog is run on your computer and GTmetrix is run online. Next thing is I go to SEMRush. So the third thing is I go to SEMRush and I plug in the website I want to analyze there, hit enter, and SEMRush gives me the number of keywords and the trend of keywords that this website is ranking for, the website you're analyzing is ranking for. What I'm looking at, what I want to see there is the overall trend. So actually two things: how many keywords the analyzed website is ranking for, and is the trend going up or down? Are there any spikes or any falls Did something happen? Is the number of keywords has it been increasing gradually or not? What's the situation right now? That gives me the overall understanding about the SEO health of the analyzed website. SEMRush is paid, but I think you could do that kind of analysis for free. So that's the third thing. The fourth thing is the extension that I use. It's called SEO Meta in one click. It's an extension for Chrome. You download it, you install it in your Chrome browser. You open the website that you want to analyze. You want to visit the home page, and you click on that extension. It shows you a few interesting things. First of all, it shows you all the important on-page elements on the page. For example, it shows you the page title, the meta description, the canonical tag, the H tags, how many H tags that page has, etc. This extension also has the tabs that show you headers separately. So you could see besides just the structure of the headers, you can also see what headers there are on the page. So for example, you might find things like the absence of H1 tag, or you might see that there are two H1 tags. So these are the things that should be fixed. You can also see that, for example, you have one H1 tag, you have two H2 tags, or four H2 tags, doesn't matter. You don't have H3 tags, but you have H4 tags or H5 tags. Not a big deal, but ideally you want everything to be in nested order, and H1 tag should be the only tag on the page, should be at the very top, and all the other tags they should be nested within each other in order of priority. The more H tags you have per page, the better. There is a positive correlation that I found between the number of H tags on the page and the ranking of that page. So you could also check the canonical tag using that extension, and some of these things that you'll see there, you'll also be able to see in Screaming Frog SEO Spider, but it gives you a different perspective. So by using these two tools in parallel, it will give you a better understanding of the situation with your website. So I check the home page, and I also check the important pages, like, let's say, in case with e-commerce, I would be checking the category pages, and I'll be checking individual product pages using that extension. It's called SEO Meta in one click, and you can download it for free on Google. And the last thing I'd be checking would be just going to Google and type your website. Type the website you want to analyze. Type it in Google search. See what you can see at the top. Earlier, I remember Google allowed you to see how many pages are indexed. It gave you the number at the bottom. I don't think they're doing it right now. But just by looking at the results on the first page, you will get a better picture about what information is visible. For example, if you're analyzing a local business website, you can plug in the website .com and see if it shows you the location, or you can plug in the business name and see if it shows you the location. If it does not, then you could optimize the Google business listing, for example. Or maybe it shows you the competitor for your main keyword instead of you. That's another hint to reinforce the most important pages of your website or the website you analyze for that keyword. That's it. That's what I wanted to share with you today. And now you know how to quickly check the SEO health of any website using free tools and free methods in less than 15 minutes. That's it. If you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe for my channel, and have a great weekend.